This is Art by Grace Ann. Now I'm going to open this. This is how they come packaged. Extremely classy, very lovely. And here we go. There's a note here. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. I'm so excited for this piece to head into its new home. Your continued support of my art means the world. Hope you enjoy the stickers taped to the other side. Grace Ann, Art by Grace Ann." This will be linked down in the description there. And oh, look at those. You can put stickers on wherever you like, but these are some of her other paintings as well. This is so nice. I'm so happy that she gave this, and I am very happy about this. There's a sticker here. Now let's open it up. Oh wow, Christmas has come early. Definitely love this. So here we go. Let's undo it here. All right. Let's go. Drum roll, please. Oh my goodness. Check this out. It's a canvas. Right? And you notice I really enjoy her paintings. They're extremely beautiful, to include this one obviously. But yeah, this is what the painting looks like. And I have other paintings of hers, and this is such a beautiful painting, and it'll go nice with my other set. I have 4 of her other paintings. This is a painting, I have another painting, and I have 2 prints. So she also sells prints of these paintings as well. So it's something that I would definitely recommend that you reach out to her. Like I said, I'll link her description down. But yeah, please let me know what you think. And I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the other ones that I have right now from her that are absolutely pure class, and I love them. So let's go to that right now. As I mentioned before, I have other paintings. This is a painting of hers. This is the first one that I bought. Very nice. I love the way that it looks. Here's one of the prints that I got. This is extremely beautiful, and I had them professionally framed. So that's something that you definitely could do with any of her things. This is extremely beautiful. Like I said, the other one is on a canvas, so it's kind of different than these two. And let me go over here. This is another one of her prints that I have, and you'll see in a lot of my live stream videos, this is what I have. And one we just unboxed right now will go right there above it. On each one of my shoulders, you'll be able to see her artwork displayed on my shoulders when I'm doing live streams, which is really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have anything else, please let me know down in the comments. If you earned your subscription today, please subscribe. And I'll also leave my Instagram, which I'm more active on there than I am on YouTube. Please reach out to me. Feel free. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day, you guys.